Hi, I am Meghan Graeca. I am a second-year medical student and first-year Master's in Biomedical Science student at the LECOM Erie campus. My research in Dr. Colez's lab has focused on Tylenol, which is considered safe to be taken during pregnancy to treat fever or pain. However, studies have suggested that in utero exposure to Tylenol can increase the risk for developing conditions such as autism spectrum disorder and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and so we investigated this further using an animal model. Because auditory and vestibular dysfunction is a common feature in humans with autism spectrum disorder and in animal models of autism spectrum disorder, we hypothesized that our animals exposed to Tylenol would exhibit vestibular and auditory deficits. We investigated this hypothesis using a battery of behavioral, neurophysiological, and anatomical methods. So far, we have seen that the Tylenol-exposed animals have exhibited significant motor and vestibular and auditory deficits. Our findings suggest that in utero Tylenol exposure impacts the development of the inner ear and or brainstem. The most interesting results to me so far have been those related to the auditory brainstem responses, which are here. This is a test that allows us to study the amplitude and latency of synchronized electrical activity along the ascending auditory pathway. So we can assess the fidelity of the brainstem with each peak representing a specific processing station that helps to localize any dysfunction. So our findings from the auditory brainstem responses and other testing provide a basis for the link between autism spectrum disorder and in utero Tylenol exposure, with the goal of earlier diagnosis of autism spectrum disorder via screening test of